Guys, this is Ryan. We're doing a FIFA pack opening. We're only going to be opening 3 packs, but it's 2 jumbo premium gold pack and 1 premium gold pack. So yeah, first pack. Good. No, that is a jumbo premium gold pack. That's terrible. And I don't even need any of them. Oh my gosh. It's so hard because I have a camera in my hand. Take it, why not? Send. Without that. You get 3,000 for that. I don't get that. So another one. Oh, it's small. 80. I knew that. Okay, the jumbo premium gold packs are terrible. You get so much for selling these packs. Okay, the Wasp pack. Well, that's even worse. At least I get contracts. Well, you get 127 coins for selling that. Oh no, I mean... Wait, I just sold that and I needed to keep that. What am I doing? Well, that's the end of this pack opening. Bye.